Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So my eyebrows are crazy because I'm letting them grow out. The color of the camera, like the way it looks, I kind of like it. What I did was I put the aperture all the way up, like high, because this sun just blocks my face from like being recorded, because last time, you guys remember that my video was so bright, so I was trying to fix it, changing angles, this and this, and then I was like, let me just fix the aperture. And then this color, I like it because it makes everything in the back a little dark, and you know, it just focuses on my face. But yeah, let me show you guys. Wait, let me show you guys my eyebrows. I don't know if you guys see it. But my eyebrows are so crazy. Oh my gosh. But I'm gonna go get them done soon because I'm going on an event, and then, you know, I need my eyebrows to be done. But I just let them grow out because I was dropping stuff. Because I'm the one that, you know, I don't go to nobody, I do my own eyebrows, and I messed them up around here because I was doing this face and then I messed them up, so I decided to grow them out. I think I want to go get them done, but I'm not sure yet. I think I'm gonna do them myself and just clean the bottom, and then on top I'll just buy the little, what is it called? It's around here somewhere. The little razor thing. Where are you? It's right here. So I'm just gonna buy a few of these and then just fix my own eyebrows, because I don't want to risk, you know, somebody messing them up. But I am enjoying some tea. And I'm gonna put some lift off on it because I am super tired. I don't know why. So I'm just gonna add it in there so that I can get more energy. And yes. So right now I'm actually gonna do my makeup, and I wanted to show you guys a simple but nice and glowy and kind of girly look for the spring. My favorite type of season. And yes, so my tea is done. Yeah, still in there. This is like Alka-Seltzer, you know, bubbly. But yes, I'm gonna get started. I didn't moisturize my skin, but I do have some. I'm always so loud, like literally so loud. When I'm walking or I go outside or something, I try to close the door as soft as I can so that it won't bother them, but they don't care. They just throw their door. So I'm gonna start. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. But yes guys, this is gonna be kind of like a get ready with me. I'm not really gonna talk on this video, but you know, you guys know that these are my type of favorite, you know, videos to make and watch, and it's just a little hard to just always talk and talk and talk, you know. I don't want to get you guys tired, okay, unless you guys ask me to do it, you know. But yes, let me get started. I'm gonna put some music on, and then talk to you later.